what's
No,
up,
actually,
guys?
It's not our last adventure.
Right now we're going to Walmart. Walmart right there. We're gonna go get some. What are we getting again?
Some crafts.
We're getting some arts and crafts apparently. All right, we'll see. So we got into some trouble right here.
I'm actually stuck.
She's stuck inside.
We're in the arts and craft aisle, looking for a fun arts and craft. For the
Looking
next
for
part of our
bouncy
video.
balls apparently.
Leave me alone.
Hey, you want to do this?
Yes.
Squishy-O's. I think.
Ooh.
I don't know. Okay, guys, we're gonna do some Squishy-O's. All right, guys. So we're now gonna make this weird squishy thing.
It's like a stress ball. So basically, you put
Beads into
These-
this balloon thing.
it's like Orbeez. So when you put them in water, they expand and get like jelly-like. You put some beads in there.
These are the beads.
And then you pour water. Wow, water.
Holy!
You can't see that.
I didn't even say it.
You can't open them. I don't want to get them everywhere. Do you have scissors?
No. We'll be right back after these messages. All right, guys. So we're back.
Finally got it open.
We got the thing open.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pour some in there. It said 1/4, right?
I don't know. A fourth, yeah.
How do I know how would 1/4 be?
You just guess. They look like dipping dots.
That looks like 1/4 to me.
That's 1/4 apparently, if you can see it. Oh,
Well,
yeah, there
out of
it
this
is.
little bag, how are you supposed to know? Next,
And then
he's
we
gonna pour
have
his colorful
these
beads
big
in.
ones right here.
Well, those aren't Orbeez though. Those are just beads.
You called out.
Whatever.
All right, so we're just gonna pour some in here.
I mean, you could just pour them as you want.
Oh God,
Yeah. Meg.
I
did
put
you
too
do?
much.
Is it stuck? Wait, I got it. No point. You're not even showing them, Cranky.
I got it.
Now he has his little sack.
We're
and
gonna
now we're gonna pour
now we're gonna pour some water.
some water.
Very carefully.
No, dude, they're gonna be scared. Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Now he has his water in there with his beads.
Now it looks like a you know what. All you guys know. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We got the ball string tied.
It's so cold. Look at this.
Now apparently
see
that's
it?
a stress ball right there.
It'll go later in life when the thing's absorbed.
It kind of looks like a. Yeah, we all know what it looks like.
Look, they're already starting to get bigger. Wait, it's my
This is
turn
right.
now. I want some.
And that's your finished product, ladies and gentlemen. It should look like a whale that ate a bunch of plastic.
So as we were filming, this guy in the car right there was watching our every move. Can you see? He's not focusing. That guy right there, watching everything.
He was watching us inflate our
make-
ball bags.
He was watching us make our squishies, and he was judging us the whole time. The whole time, right?
He didn't like us making our ball bags. In our ball bags.